Hi, my friend. It's me again. I'm Olga Alexandrova, graphic designer and illustrator. Today we discuss not popular dark colors for wedding invitation suit and why can you choose a dark color for wedding. I think dark hues will be a new classic. Let me talk about it in more detail. It isn't secret, most of couple prefer the wedding around pastel palettes, for example neutral and white, soft pastel tone like pink or blue and beige. However, soft colors aren't the only tones available to choose from on your wedding day. Often it looks not cool. In fact, not so ordinary colors can turn traditional, kinda boring wedding into extra stylish celebration. Color palette of dark hues doesn't symbolize tragedy and sorrow. Otherwise, adding bolder color to your palette can give the experience a dramatic, avant-garde feel that will impress your guests, as it won't look anything like other weddings they have attended. You can approach this trend in two different ways. First, you can stick to an overall dark color palette, deep purples, navy or gray, and etc., which creates a feeling of a romantic evening, especially adding gold or silver details. You can create a magical atmosphere. This look can be especially beautiful for a nighttime wedding when paired with tones of candlelight. Sure, your paper and invitation must be compatible to common wedding idea. Try to choose invitation suit which have a dark background and sparkling detail or vice versa. The second idea is to pair dark tone with soft. It's a classic color combo for a reason, right? This design often feels more modern and abstract, which can be a great match for an loft space or city gallery. Two contrasting colors and one simple but beautiful effect. Go forward to invitation review. Oh, it's fantastic mix of champagne gold and bold gray. Stunning design. The paper is really tight. You may not hesitate. The quality of paper cut isn't fickle. First, pay attention to contrast. We look at light band on a dark background and then see the shades of flower paper cut. It's really tastefully. So, go forward. I can't wait to open the envelope. Oh, adorable flower. Honestly, I see the winter wedding. I see a picture in my head. Like it would be beautiful, really beautiful. For example, this or this. So go to our invitation. There are two champagne cats with gold glitter. Oh, it's so pretty detail, which can emphasize whole decoration. Yeah, really. I'm ready to admire it. Really endless. Order your favorite wedding suit on elegantwedding.com. Exactly this pocket. There are only in stock. Don't be late, don't be late.